an accident. The patient's mother has been infected with cancer. She's a cancer patient. She has been taking treatment here for the last 6 months. After here, he has shifted his mother to a private hospital. There, the doctors have misguided him, so he's come here back. He's come back here. He's had a conversation with the doctor Balaji for half an hour.
An absolutely heinous crime has occurred in Kalaignar Centenary Hospital in Chennai, and to know the the actual effect you see over there, this is the kind of blood trail that has been still placed at the location. That was the office of Dr. Balaji, who was the head of the oncology department over here. A cancer like patients were being treated at this spot. Here you could also see that the kind of like foot trails with blood spots everywhere on this spot, and this has been completely cordoned. We've been informed by the health minister and various officials over here that there was a patient whose son apparently had gone to meet him. Earlier it was said that the actual culprit was a North Indian, but apparently now it has been confirmed that the culprit's name is Vignesh, and he has come over here along with his mother. Sir, but doctor எப்படி சார்?
அதான் நல்லா இருக்காரு ஸ்டேபிளாக இருக்காரு.
ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் ஏதாவது கேட்டிருக்காங்க எப்படி சார்?
இல்லை இப்போ எல்லா டாக்டருமே நானும் ஜேசி சாரும் டைரக்டரும் போனோம். ஒரு 10க்கும் மேற்பட்ட மருத்துவர்கள் எல்லா மருத்துவம் சார்ந்த அந்த முழு கட்டமைப்பு உள்ள ஒர்க் பண்ணி நிற்கிறாங்க. நல்லா இருக்காரு.
இதனால இங்கே செக்யூரிட்டி மெஷர்ஸ் வந்து சேஞ்ச் பண்ண வாய்ப்பு இருக்கா சார்?
இல்லை, செக்யூரிட்டியை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் எந்த குறையும் இல்லைங்க. ரெகுலராகவே நல்ல செக்யூரிட்டி போட்டு நல்லா பண்ணுறாங்க. இந்த மருத்துவமனைக்கு வர்றவங்க எண்ணிக்கை 2000க்கு மேலே வந்து போயிருக்கிறாங்க. இந்த சம்மந்தப்பட்ட இப்போ இந்த குற்றவாளியை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் ஒரு 6 மாதம் இங்கே அட்டெண்டராக இருந்தவர். அவங்க மதரை இங்கே அட்மிட் பண்ணிவிட்டு அட்டெண்டராக இருந்தவர். அவர் இன்றைக்கி வரும்போது அவர் சந்தேகப்பட வேண்டிய அவசியம் யாருக்கும் இருக்காது. ஏன்னா அவர் சின்னதாக நைஃப் புல்ல வச்சுன்னு வர்றது யாருக்கும் தெரியாது. அவர் வந்தவர் ரூம்குள்ளே இருக்கிற டாக்டரை போய் இது மாதிரி அசால்ட் பண்ணிட்டார்.
Vignesh's mother was treated here for nearly 6 months. She has been given various chemos, but she had come on the later stage. And what happened is that she could not be treated anymore. And this apparently Vignesh had held a grudge. He has taken an OP chit and he had gone over there and he had met with the doctor, and there he has stabbed the doctor. Just to know the effect of the stab wound over here, the doctor was stabbed 7 times and he had a major blood loss. And if you want to know what the kind of condition, the blood that is over there, that is a government duty doctor's blood on the spot. And what happened is that he was immediately taken to the operation theatre. The doctor was already a heart patient, so we've been informed by the authorities that he has sustained multiple injuries to his neck, to his back, to his head, and that Vignesh, the accused, has also been arrested. But just to show you the kind of the heinous crime that has occurred over here, that is raising questions, is what you see on the background over there, the blood spot at this area. And what we've also spoken to the health minister, who says that nobody actually suspected Vignesh, the accused, because he's been over here for nearly 6 months, and he actually for 6 months since he was here for chemotherapy, many people knew him and nobody thought that he would actually do such a crime. But unfortunately he stabbed the doctor, Dr. Balaji, and that is a blood trail of the doctor in the spot. Divyan, Pramod Madhav for India Today.